The conduct of automated elections was again tackled at a Senate hearing held today. Officials of the COMELEC and Smartmatic were on hand to answer questions. I am Akalma Faldes report.
Legislators want a fresh assurance from COMELEC and Smartmatic that there will be no glitches in the automated polls on Election Day. At today's public hearing, Smartmatic officials were again grilled by the salons and poll watch groups on the accuracy and reliability of the PCOS machines to be used in the elections. They were also questioning the capability of Smartmatic to conduct the automated polls. Smartmatic President Cesar Flores defended his group, saying the automated polls will be held as scheduled. He said certain groups may be having doubts on the capability of Smartmatic in their desire for a return to the manual system for them to be able to manipulate the elections.
Of course, they have to attack Smartmatic because we're the current provider. But I guarantee you, the next provider, they will say the same things. Because the agenda here by certain groups is to return to manual elections where they can manipulate the results.
Senator Peter Alan Cayetano, however, defended the poll watch groups, saying for them it is easier to guard the manual elections rather than the automated.
Sa manual, kahit na open talaga to fraud, alam talaga ng watchdogs kung paano babantayan. Etong automated, dahil pwede ding automated din yung dayaan, mahirap bantayan. That's why ang concern ng mga watchdogs is, una, paano nila babantayan, kaya magkakaroon ng meeting sa Tuesday next week. And then number two, kung mapapatunayan na kayang dayain, ano ang magiging contingency? So ang problema naman natin, everyone agrees na mas prone sa dayaan ang manual. So pag sinabi mong manual, para mo sinabing papayagan na natin yung mga operator, no?
For his part, Senator urged the COMELEC to hold 2 or 3 more mock elections to prevent glitches and ensure a credible and clean political exercise in May this year.
Dapat ang mock election successful kung tama ang bilang, walang glitch sa transmission, mga ganon. So yung mga practical talaga ng mga usapin. Ano? So I hope na ang COMELEC wag masyado maging literal o pilosopo sa pagbasa ng batas. They should go to the essence of the law. Ang kailangan dito, transparency.
For the People's Television, I am Akalma.